Hello friends, welcome to this video. So in this video I will share how to use ChatGPT effectively in your mobile phone. The step 1 is go to Chrome and just open the ChatGPT and you will get this UI in front of you. Okay, you know this. So next step is download the Aipromptex app. So I will show you here this app, Aipromptex app. You will get the easily from Play Store. Just get download and sign up. It's free. And just click on this Aipromptex app. And just after sign up, you can read the instructions. It is best useful app. Just click on pencil button and just write the prompt name you want. Right, example I will write a fitness article writer. By the way, you can give what is your want name. I will just a basic prompt. I will write just a basic prompt that I want. Right, so for example I will write a full article on fitness. Just I will read, for example, like you can write up to 180 characteristics. Just click on generate button. Generally it gives effective prompt that you can use on any AI tool that will give the better results. That right, so you can find this effective prompt how much it is, right? So see this here, it is good, right? You can copy this section. After that you can go to ChatGPT and paste this effective prompt you get from, and just and this is the effective prompt we will got from the simple one line prompt that we have given their basic prompt. This is the effective prompt which is generated by the Aipromptex app, right? You can use that app very easily for free. It will available on Play Store for free. You can search and get that app. So this is the here our result has. See, this is a effective prompt that will give from the one prompt, single prompt. So this is our result. You can get the best result from that ChatGPT. So I think this video will help you a lot. So make sure you can get the app link from description below, so you can get from there. Thank you guys, thank you for very much.